Polytex Technologies develops automated textile solutions for diverse work environments worldwide. As a critical part of our full-cycle solution, Polytex works with many industrial laundries around the world, streamlining workflows to reduce costs and undue waste while increasing efficiency.
We manage linen services for a single healthcare organization that includes 39 member institutions. 14 hospitals are equipped with Polytex automatic garment dispensers. In the Paris region, space is expensive, so compact machines are a major advantage. Most importantly, Polytex ensures a consistent and hygienic service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including nights and weekends, with no risk of linen shortages.
Alors, la gestion du linge avant Polytex.
Before Polytex, laundry management was extremely difficult. We have more than 500 employees, each with different requirements, and distribution took a very long time. Today, Polytex's Total Care Manager gives us full visibility into stock levels, allows us to identify shortages, and receive alerts in real time. It's very easy to use, even for people who are not comfortable with computers. Since installing the Polytex machines, it has been a real transformation for me.
Ça a été une révolution pour moi.
With the Polytex Total Care Manager,
We gained full operational control. We established on-call maintenance 7 days a week, and 99% of our operations are handled remotely. This is critical, especially when facilities are located more than 150 kilometers away. Ultimately, our primary reason for choosing Polytex was this constant availability, combined with solutions adapted to the needs of new generations. For us, it truly was a revolution.